So here I met a couple who is traveling all over India, and they have a target to complete it in 100 days.
Yeah.
So 50 days they have completed. So let's talk to them.
We are coming from Tamil Nadu. Our target is reached all over India and 28 states and 5 union territories. This is our setup bed.
Camper van.
Yeah, this is small camper van. We are staying. We are using two purpose. This is our dress plus bed and everything. This is extra battery for mobile and laptop charging. We have cylinder and gas stove. I will come other side.
Okay.
And the savi kudupa.
Mandeep.
Okay. So
this
is
cylinder.
your cooking. Okay.
Okay, cylinder. And
For
gas
cooking
stove.
purpose,
Yeah,
okay.
everything. We have papers and tissues, everything. This is for windshield, the door.
Okay.
Avoid heating.
Okay.
We have India map.
Okay. India map to find the proper location.
Yeah.
All in one, please.
This is like our kitchen.
Okay.
Cooker. And
Small kitchen, you can say it's a small kitchen.
We have rice.
Traveling kitchen. Okay.
Yeah, atta, everything we have. And oil,
Okay.
ghee, everything.
So how you decided to take a trip to the entire India, and what is your profession and what exactly you are doing right now?
I am doing textile dyeing job.
Okay.
First we started Bangalore market, Mumbai market, Delhi market. This is our only target.
Okay.
I am working in one company.
Okay.
I resigned my job.
Okay. So you are full-time YouTuber and full-time you are traveling.
First we thought only reach textile market only.
Okay.
We don't have any all India trip. Never ever.
Okay.
We don't have.
Okay.
But suddenly we thought, okay, 1 month, first month we go to Bangalore market. Next month we put leave office and go to Delhi market.
Okay.
Monthly.
Slowly you are managing all the things.
We got a 6 month plan. 6 market or 6 month. Okay. Then suddenly we thought, okay, good job.
Okay.
And go to everywhere.
Okay.
Some savings, and I sold my chain, gold chain also.
Okay. To
And put some loan also.
okay.
Okay, everything. It's around. It's a new vehicle for the trip.
Okay.
Because it's a very important. So we bought.
So you bought this vehicle this year itself?
Yeah.
Especially for this trip.
Especially for the trip.
Okay. So why you selected this vehicle only? Why not other car or something?
This car is not suitable for camper van. This is like camper van.
Okay, it is itself a camper van. It has more space than other car. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Because of the vehicle height and
Okay. You can easily sit also, and you can easily sleep also.
Sleep also. It's a full length of.
Okay. Yeah, you can easily
Okay.
sleep. Okay. That's great.
We have an extra fan.
It's a diesel van, right? Diesel or?
No, petrol and CNG. Cover this CNG tank under.
Okay, petrol and CNG. So
CNG is the best.
CNG is it's the best. Actually, we stay in Mumbai.
Okay.
So
We have some CNG kit.
it's our Mamaji's home.
Okay.
So she's our Mamaji daughter.
Okay.
There is our home.
Okay.
So we also came for a trip, for some marriage function.
Okay.
So I just came outside and I saw your vehicle.
Okay.
So we usually watch all the videos, people traveling, going here and there. So I just thought to check it out. Whose vehicle is this?
Thank you.
That's great.
If using petrol,
Petrol is expensive. So
1 per kilometer 10 rupees. We are using CNG per kilometer only 2 rupees.
oh yeah, absolutely one. Okay, right. 2 rupees.
It's economy. Okay, it's simple. But performance is slow.
So you in the month of January you started to travel.
Yeah.
Okay, you started from Tamil Nadu.
Yeah.
Then how you
Go to Kerala. Yes, Tamil Nadu to Kerala. We are Coimbatore. Tamil
Okay.
Nadu to Kerala.
Okay.
Then Karnataka.
Okay.
Mumbai. We are starting from left side, India map.
Okay.
Left side. Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat and the Nishkalan Mahadev temple. Then go to Rajasthan, Jaisalmer
Okay.
and Haryana, like that.
So right now you are coming back from.
Jammu Kashmir.
Okay.
We covered Srinagar also.
Okay.
This is the black dot is our point, traveling point.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
We go to Shimla and Dehradun and New Delhi. Then after
You-
Uttar Pradesh complete,
Okay.
we go to Nepal also. We have passport.
Okay. 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 That's great. That's great. Great.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.